Hello, my friend. I'm an old foodie in China. My name's Old Bread. Today, I continue to offer you simple, easy, cheap Chinese cuisine. I'm going to cook Tuesday lunch for my family. I prepared two courses. First is a steaming fish. Another is a Chinese salad. Chinese salad? Chinese eat salad? Of course, we have our own salad. Although it's different from Western style salad, but it's also very delicious. Okay, I will tell you how to cook it. But first, I let you how to cook steaming freshwater fish. Steaming is I think only Chinese use this method so frequently. For us, stir fry, steam is a very important method. Steaming fish has a very good advantage, can keep full nutrition of the fish. But how to cook very delicious fish? In this video, I will show you. For the people of many countries, they don't like freshwater fish because they believe freshwater fish has a kind of a bad, muddy smell. That's the truth. But Chinese people, they eat freshwater fish regularly. More or less 50% of their consumption of fish are freshwater fish. In fact, if you treat correctly, the taste of freshwater fish is not inferior to sea fish, sometimes even better than sea fish. But you must remember one important factor to deal with the freshwater fish. You must keep the freshwater fish always fresh. Only freshwater fish is very fresh. It will have a good taste. For this reason, each time I go to the supermarket to buy the fish, I will choose a living fish and ask the seller to kill this fish before my eyes. Then I take it back home. I will cook it within 10 hours. Because the freshwater fish, after being butchered for more than 12 hours, the taste will deteriorate. So fresh is a very important thing. Another very important thing to keep the freshwater good taste is never to preserve the freshwater fish with the freezing temperature. For example, if you purchase a freshwater fish uh, during the summer, but you will not cook it immediately. You just put it into the cooling part of your refrigerator, not freezing part. Okay, first we look at the material. The material we are going to use are quite simple. First is a freshwater fish. Then auxiliary vegetable like green onion, ginger, most important garlic because you need to use a lot of garlic. Normally in the banquet or you invite your friend to your home, you must keep an entire fish. You cannot cut it into small pieces because that will not be polite. But if you will eat the fish in your family, that doesn't matter. You can cut the fish to fit your plate. So I decided to cut the fish into half to fit my plate. But before I cut it into half, I must cut small slot on the fish in order that the condiment can penetrate the meat of the fish. You can cut any form, but for me, I prefer diamond form. Okay, you just cut a slot on the body of the fish. Then I will cut it into half to fit my plate. Okay. Coming up next, you need to apply the ginger and the salt and the liquor on the body of the fish to soak it for at least 10 minutes to make the condiment penetrate the meat of the fish. First, I will apply the liquor. You can use a red one. If you don't have a yellow one, Chinese yellow one, you can use a red one. Then a little ginger. You just put ginger on the slot. You need to apply the salt on the body of the fish. You need to apply a little more salt because the steam will create a lot of water to make the taste less salty. I use a brush to help to apply the salt. Okay. Now the fish is ready. I let the fish to be soaked by the condiment for 10 or 15 minutes. I'm going to deal with the auxiliary vegetable. The first, green onion. I will cut the green onion into small pieces. Then is the garlic. Garlic is the most important condiment for this food. You need entire garlic, or if entire is not enough, you need 1.5 garlic. So we must make the garlic into very small piece. I will use this tool to have a quick job. After separating the garlic, we use the knife to make it. After we separate the garlic, we use a knife to smash it first. Why I need to smash it? Because it's easy to get away the skin of the garlic. Okay, the garlic and the green onion is ready. Now let's steam the fish. If you need to pour some water, I think maybe 1 or 2 inch the depth of the water for the steaming cooker. That's enough, not so much. So much too much water that will waste your energy. Okay. You place the fish on the steam cooker to cook it more or less 20 minutes. But you have a method to see if the time is enough or not enough. When the ice of fish pumped out, that means it's already done. You can take it out. After a while, we will see the eyes of the fish. You must remember, When the eyes of fish pop out, that means the fish is already ready. We can take it out. Okay, for more or less 20 minutes. Okay, let me see if the eyes of the fish pop out or not. Oh, really pop out. Okay, it's already finished. Then can we eat now? No, wait a moment. It's now time for us to eat this fish at this moment. We need further treatment. We just turn off the fire. Okay, for the further treatment. This oil, I use it to fry the peanut, but it doesn't matter. We can use it for the fish too. You don't need the fish, the oil very hot. Just put in the garlic. Then green onion. Stir fry them. When oil become hot, put a very important thing. You can see, what do we call this? Seasoned soya sauce for seafood. The brand is Lee Kun King. I think in United States or Britain you can find this because it's a very famous brand. Then put the seasoned soya sauce into the oil. Then disturb it. Okay. Then turn off the fire immediately. Next, we apply this sauce to the fish. Okay, friend, it's ready. Delicious fish. This fish has a lot of bone, but its white, soft, and delicious meat will reward you to pick them out. Otherwise, if you cannot tolerate so many fish bone, you can eat fish belly. Because fish belly only has the big bone, it's easy to pick them out. Okay, friend, thanks for watching my program. Hope to see you again. Bye bye.